Whenever we install a fresh copy of Windows, we also need to update the drivers, and installing them one by one becomes quite complicated. Sometimes we don't even find the required drivers. That's why in today's video, I'll provide you with a tool that allows you to update all your drivers with just one click without any problem. So let's get started with the video. First of all, we need to create a restore point so that any changes made to your system can be reverted back to the previous state. For that, you need to go to the Start menu and search for Restore Point, then select the application. After that, click on the Create button and you can give it any name you like. So, our first step is now complete, and let's move on to the installation process. First, you need to download this file using the link given in the comments section. After that, launch it and select the Next option. In the next step, downloading will begin, and it may take some time to complete since it totally depends on your internet speed. After that, it will also install .NET Framework, so you just need to allow that as well. Once the installation is complete, an application icon will appear on your desktop, which you need to launch. As you can see, it is now launched, and its interface looks much cleaner compared to other tools. Now, let me show you how to update the drivers. For that, you need to go to this tab and click on the Scan button. The scanning of your drivers will then begin. Here, it has only detected 2 outdated drivers because I had already tested this tool before recording the video. That's why it's showing just 2 outdated drivers. Now, you simply need to click on Update All, and all your drivers will be updated one by one. Now let's talk about how you can download it. First, go to the comments section where you'll find the link. Click on that link and you'll be able to download it. Overall, this is a really good tool and you should definitely give it a try, especially if your PC drivers are hard to find. And if you're looking for an OS for a low-end system that works best for gaming, then the video on the left is exactly for you. Click on that video and I'll meet you there.